There are times when you need to send off your drawing to someone else. For example, a work colleague if you're in a collaboration team, or even a support person to inspect your file. Oftentimes, only the .dwg file is sent, but not the attached xrefs or drefs. This results in missing information and missing references, which makes it difficult to work with and also makes it difficult for support people to replicate your issue. So what eTransmit does, it packages up your drawing alongside all of the necessary xrefs, drefs, and data links it requires to function. First, what you want to do is save your drawing first. eTransmit will only package everything that's been saved already. So always save first to make sure nothing is left out. Now type eTransmit into the command line. A window will fly out. Here, you can choose which elements you want to package and any associated references. Click Transmittal Setups and then click Modify in the new window. In this window, you want to make sure it's packaged into a zip file to save on space. Also have Place All Files in one folder selected. Click OK and get back to the first dialog box. Then hit OK to package it. Now, when you navigate to the file location, you'll see everything is included. To share it, you can send it through as an email if it's small enough. However, more often it's too big to send as an email. So in that case, you'll need to use a file sharing service to do it for you instead. And that's how to use eTransmit to package all elements in your drawing so that no information is left out. Thank you for listening and have a great day.